Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about what is inventory management in manufacturing industry. Let's jump right into it. Inventory management in manufacturing refers to the process of ordering, storing, tracking, and controlling raw materials, components, and finished products. Effective inventory management ensures that manufacturers have the right materials at the right time, minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency. Here's a closer look at what inventory management involves and why it's important. Key components of inventory management. Ordering. Ordering involves purchasing raw materials and components needed for production. Effective ordering requires accurate forecasting to ensure that materials are available when needed without overstocking, which can tie up capital and increase storage costs. Storing. Storing involves keeping materials and products in warehouses or storage areas. Proper storage practices ensure that items are organized, easily accessible, and protected from damage. This includes using shelving, bins, and other storage solutions to optimize space and maintain order. Tracking. Tracking inventory means keeping detailed records of what is in stock, where it is located, and how much is available. This can be done manually or using inventory management software that provides real-time updates. Tracking helps prevent stockouts, running out of materials, and overstocking, having too much inventory. Controlling. Controlling inventory involves managing stock levels to balance supply and demand. This includes setting minimum and maximum stock levels, performing regular inventory audits, and using techniques like just-in-time (JIT) inventory, which minimizes stock levels by receiving goods only as they are needed for production. Importance of inventory management. Cost efficiency. Effective inventory management helps reduce costs by preventing overstocking and minimizing storage expenses. By ordering only what is needed, manufacturers can avoid excess inventory that ties up capital and incurs additional storage costs. Improved production planning. Having the right materials available at the right time is crucial for maintaining production schedules. Effective inventory management ensures that production lines run smoothly without interruptions due to missing materials. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By managing inventory effectively, manufacturers can ensure timely delivery of finished products to customers. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and can improve a company's reputation and competitiveness in the market. Reduced waste. Proper inventory management helps reduce waste by preventing the accumulation of obsolete or expired materials. By keeping track of inventory and using materials before they become obsolete, manufacturers can reduce waste and save money. Data-driven decisions. Inventory management systems provide valuable data that can be used for making informed decisions. This includes insights into sales trends, demand patterns, and inventory turnover rates. Using this data, manufacturers can optimize their inventory levels and improve overall efficiency. Conclusion. Inventory management in manufacturing is a critical process that involves ordering, storing, tracking, and controlling materials and products. Effective inventory management ensures cost efficiency, improves production planning, enhances customer satisfaction, reduces waste, and provides valuable data for decision-making. By implementing techniques like JIT, ABC analysis, EOQ, and maintaining safety stock, manufacturers can optimize their inventory levels and improve overall operational efficiency. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.